Some people can't do the earwax, like it's too crazy for them. Hey 49, it's Madison Beer, and I'm about to face 49 questions. Oh boy, here we go. And I think that I love like any simulation talk. I love to like converse about what could possibly be going on, because I think life is so complicated and strange. None of us actually understand what's going on. I'm a big like satisfy person. I love like cleaning video, love pimple video. I'm one of those weird people who like loves the earwax ones, that's like a deep cut. Some people can't do the earwax, like it's too crazy for them, but I just like anything that's like cleaning, I just enjoy watching. I went on a date one time with someone who I was seeing for about a month, and I was really afraid to meet his parents just yet because I thought it was kind of soon, and he basically like tricked me into meeting them and said we were going to dinner, and we walked in and his parents were sat in a booth, and I was like, oh, hi. When I met Rihanna, beyond. I was gonna say British really quickly, but I think French, poker. Meeting so many new people and connecting with strangers who I probably never would have met in my life. It's the joy of it. Having your privacy invaded sucks. People like constantly talk negatively about you is not fun. Yeah, there's moments of like reflection that are needed for sure to just be like, this is a lot. It's a lot. Both. Can I say both? TV. It makes me sad when I meet someone and they're like, wow, you're really nice. And I'm like, did you think I wasn't? Like, I take that as a bit of a backhanded compliment, because I'm like, I'm appreciative that you think I'm nice, but why did you assume I wasn't? I know like Peng Ting, I know fit, I know like proper fit is something that they say. Oh my God, I'm gonna get made fun of. I love the way that you guys speak. Peng Ting called Madison, that's a song that's in my vernacular forever now. Oh, Severance, the best show ever. The best show ever. Have you seen it? It's so good. I know that I would have went on to study psychology in some capacity, but I think that like specifically, honestly, I probably would be wanting to get a PhD and become a therapist in some regard, because I like really find joy in helping. I used to have a Finsta, but since Close Friends came out, I just like, there was no need for it anymore. So I did have one and I abandoned it long ago. Condescending, like cockiness, like someone who just thinks they're better than everyone. A still from the movie Fight Club. It's been that for years. They heard a rumor, like a legitimate rumor, that I was Megan Fox's I was her cousin or something, and I was like, wait, that's an actual thing some people believe, and I was like, thanks for the compliment, but no. I just wanted to do something that was like paying homage to these cool older artists. Like the Turtles are amazing, and I stumbled across this song a long time ago, and then it came back up in a playlist of mine when I was listening for inspiration, and I was like, I should potentially interpolate or sample this in some way. Yeah, I love what we did with it. I feel like we gave it like another life, and I love doing that because I think there's so many people now who maybe don't know that song, and I want them to. So yeah, I think I feel really honored to be able to bring something back from then. Bed to shower to bath to bed. There's a lot for sure. I think that my mom has inspired me in a lot of ways for sure, specifically as I've gotten older. It would probably be either blush or highlighter, but I'm going to say blush. Final answer, blush. I mean, I played Reading and Leeds and it was epic, so I got to say Reading and Leeds. I actually know what it is, and it was literally me writing down I went to my friend's house and she had this dog food brand that her dog apparently loved, and my dog is such a picky eater, so I wrote down the brand of dog food. Someone said to me once when I was having a really, really emotional day and I felt like people were just constantly misunderstanding me, and my friend turned to me and she was like, Madison, like those who see you will see you and are lucky to, and those who don't can't and probably never will, so it's okay, and you have to let go of that control. And like something about that made me feel so seen in that moment. I was just like, whoa, you're right. I actually would like love to see the pyramids. I think that's like back to conspiracy theories. I would love to see what actually went on, because I don't think we know. Probably like told someone I was on my way when I wasn't. Fall, because I grew up in New York and fall's like the best. Paul McCartney. The Alive 2007 live album by Daft Punk. I think that's cool. Honestly, I mean, probably wasn't the very first time, but I think when my album was like top 10 on the charts for a second when it came out. That was really, really cool. I wish I had more time to go back home and visit family, I think. Snapchat. Matthew Gray Gubler. A song I will never skip. Instant Crush by Daft Punk. Nikola Tesla. I try to like understand what makes me feel better, and I try to also set boundaries and be like, hey, I'm not gonna talk to you right now, or I'm not gonna deal with this. I'm hanging up the phone. I'm ending this conversation. I think like things like that have really, really helped me significantly. I love Thanksgiving meal. Like I love turkey and bread and cranberries. Like I love Thanksgiving meal. So good. London. So many. I mean, there's endless people that I'm like huge fans of. And I think that's like so fun. It feels like you're part of a community. It's beautiful. Cuddle with my dog. Self-love. I try to, like hype myself up as much as possible. Vintage. Halloween. At home. I bought some Halloween costumes today because I have a Halloween party tomorrow, which it's so early in the month, but my friend's having a Halloween party tomorrow night, so. Opening night of my tour, the first night the confetti went off, it was like truly one of the most like blissful moments of my whole life. I'm a big bath girl, so I love to take a bath. I feel a lot wiser. I feel like I've been able to make sense of a lot of things. I feel like I've faced a lot more. I think 5 years ago, I didn't even remotely acknowledge so much about myself. And I think I was like kind of on a downward spiral, to be honest with you. So I feel really grateful that I chose the path of like learning and accepting and hopefully healing. And yeah, it's been a journey, but it's been a beautiful one for sure. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And please don't forget to give 4-9 a follow down below.